Let's see if I can wheelie an R6, dude. This bike, not good wheelie bike. He's wanted me to wheelie this bike forever though, and he's just never had a working foot brake, but now he does. Gross. Disgusting. And he's GP shift too. So uncomfortable. Like, I feel like if you had like stunt bars or something and like a better riding position, I could probably like get this down sooner, but it's hard right now. Oh, sketch. I think Kai was better at this than me, but Kai also rides an FZ09, so kind of makes more sense. Oh, I hate it. Maybe I actually will try second gear. I'll try second gear. If I don't get second gear, I think I'm done with it because I don't like it. Oh no, not second gear. I don't like it. Oh my gosh, worst wheelie bike ever. I would actually rather have the FZ09 than this. 100%. Sorry Calvin, don't want to rag on your bike. It's a good bike. Sucky wheelie bike though. Hate it. Man, fuck this bike. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Before I hurt the bike or me. Alright, no, I'm done with it. Calvin, that's all you, man. If you learn on this thing, you'll be good at everything, okay? I kind of want to do one more, though. One more, very, very controlled throttle. Please, Jesus, no crashes. I'm done with it. I kind of like the GP shift, though. Not gonna lie, but nah. Fuck GP shift.